Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can use the text-to-speech feature on TikTok. So go to your TikTok profile and tap on the plus icon at the bottom. And here, let me just record a few seconds of video so I can show you more effectively. And you can record whatever you want and just tap on the check icon once you're done. The next thing you want to do is tap on the text icon on the right and type in, for example, so that's what I want TikTok to say. You can just type in whatever caption or text you want, and then once you're done, just tap on the text and tap on text to speech.
Happy New Year!
And there you go. It would just automatically
Happy New Year!
Tap on next when you're done. Go ahead and do your edits and just post. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.